Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video.
Arlene,
And we'll
stopping
talk.
by real quick to show off one of the bracelets. I actually sat here and started working on some stuff, and I didn't turn on the camera because I was watching a documentary. So with the documentary, it would have been playing in the background. So that would have probably got me like a copyright strike, and I don't want nothing like that. So I didn't turn the camera on. So I figured I would just show the piece, once I was done. This bracelet, I made another bracelet in this bracelet series. I think it was yesterday, and I used the same beads, or it might even been this morning. With these same beads, I did make about 30, well, paint about 30 of these beads right here. So I had a nice amount of them left. And then I did some of the wire spacers. And then I did one of the little wire focal beads, and I took one of the big beads that I had, the 25 millimeter glass bead, and I wrapped it with the aluminum wire, two of the different colors of the aluminum wire. Got some wood beads on the side, and this is what I came up with. And they're very comfortable bracelets. They're not uncomfortable at all. And if a person likes statement jewelry, this is comfortable statement jewelry. It's a really nice, comfortable piece, that could be worn on the wrist. Like if you just really like different, it looks different because my little string right here. Let me see if I can hide that. And you already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some wire with it. And again, it can be worn by itself, or it could be paired with, some other bracelets. Look how good that looks with some other bracelets that might be the same color, maybe some gold ones, just different color bracelets, or just by itself. It's very comfortable. It don't even feel like it's on my wrist, and that's what I like. It's there. Believe me, it's chunky, it's there. It's very comfortable on my wrist. It's not too tight or anything like that. It feels really, really good. So I'm gonna make some more of these. As I've been saying, I got a show it's a gala that's coming up in December, the first part of December. So I'm making some really unique pieces for that event because of the type of clientele that is going to be there. So it's not like the type of clientele where it's just, like your simple tiger eye bracelets and stuff like that. It's a different type of people that dress a different type of way. So, and I was really like ecstatic and just happy when I got invited. I was like, really? You want me to be there? Okay. I wasn't surprised, but I was like, yeah, I'll be there. Good stuff. So this is another bracelet added to the series of bracelets. So I'm basically doing a series of artistic statement bracelets the whole month of November. And then my plan is to like do that every month for the YouTube channel, to just begin to do series of different pieces. So all of November is just going to be a series of bracelets. And then as time goes on, now unless the Holy Spirit give me a different idea, like midway to kind of incorporate something different, I will do that. But for the most part, the idea is to stick with the series for the bracelets. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm liking what's being produced, and I'm liking